The perfect desk that can elevate your setup to a new level, in more ways than one. The ToughDesk 300 RGB gaming desk is 160cm in length and 80cm deep. Additionally, the desk is an electronic sit-stand desk and can range between 70cm to 110cm high. The electronic control panel makes choosing the height of your desk a breeze, and you have up to 4 presets to play with, making switching between sitting and standing effortless. The frame of the ToughDesk is made using solid steel construction with an anti-scratch high-pressure laminated material. The desk can hold up to 150 kilograms in weight, so you can rest easy knowing your system and everything else you need will be securely supported. The entire top of the desk is covered with a full-surface mousepad. This mousepad is made out of a semi-coarse textured weave and ensures that your mouse will never run off the surface mid-game. Around the exterior of the mousepad is a stunning RGB strip coming with over 16.8 million colour illumination. These colours can be controlled using our iTake engine software or via TTRGB+, and is also compatible with Amazon Alexa and Razer Chroma. There is nothing worse than getting a fancy new desk only to find out that cable management is gonna be a chore. But that's not the case with the ToughDesk. Coming with a handy cable routing tray and 3 convenient routing channels, your cables can be kept neat and discreet to ensure the focus is always on your setup and not on the unsightly cables hanging out the back of it. So if your setup needs that final piece to bring it all together, the Thermaltake ToughDesk 300 RGB gaming desk might just be the cherry on top that you need to complete your perfect setup. The Thermaltake ToughDesk 300 RGB gaming desk is the pinnacle of sophistication and stylish desk design. The sit-stand options and easy-to-use controls mean you can work or play at whatever height works for you.
Build a beautiful heirloom quality piece of furniture with UPLIFT solid wood desks. We have a style of desktop to match every home and office. Our solid wood desktops are a full 1 3/4 inch thick and 100% solid wood throughout, all at an unbeatable price. Each top is handcrafted and comes in several different wood species, each with its own vibrant colors and distinct grains. For a more traditional look, we would suggest these low contrast color desktops. Our natural ash and premium walnut varieties will complement light or dark decor, and our African mahogany showcases unique reddish hues. Our exotic woods, like our acacia tops, feature strong contrasting colors in the grain. Our pheasantwood tops offer a similar contrast, while adding natural bark-line edges which lend themselves to a more rustic feel. Our tops are solid throughout with no MDF or plywood cores. You'll appreciate the look of the substantial thick edge of your desk. UPLIFT is committed to quality, and a thicker desktop means a stronger, sturdier desk. We build in steel support bars under all of our solid wood tops. Fresh wood can naturally expand and contract with the weather, so it's important to guard against the unexpected. And your handcrafted desktop is brought to life by our award-winning, contract-grade UPLIFT desk frame. UPLIFT is faster and more stable, and features superior anti-collision sensors and a wider range of height adjustments than most others available. Our solid wood desktops are available now, and a full desk can be on its way to you within 1 business day. Get your new office set up quickly without delays. Choose your desktop and get started building your own unique UPLIFT solid wood desk at upliftdesk.com today.
How long do we spend sitting around playing games? Hour after hour, match after match. Wouldn't it be something to switch gears every once in a while? Introducing our brand new level 20 BattleStation. Playing PC games hasn't changed all that much in recent years, so now seems like the perfect time to shake things up a little bit. Thanks to the BattleStation's electric motor, switching between sitting and standing is incredibly easy. Simply press the arrow buttons to either raise or lower the desk, and easily make adjustments thanks to the LED height display. You may have also noticed 4 preset buttons. These allow you to save specific height levels that best suit you. This way, you can easily switch between sitting and standing, and not have to make any micro adjustments to return to the same level of comfort and support that you're used to. With a length of 165 centimeters and a depth of 75, if you've ever been worried about space, don't be. You'll have plenty of room for all kinds of desktop configurations, everything from dual displays, all kinds of peripheral gear, and even a full liquid-cooled system. And speaking of gear, you won't need to worry about finding a mousepad to game on. The gaming desk itself is one enormous mousepad, easily removable to allow for effortless cleaning and adjustments. Designed with an aluminium frame to help provide a sturdy and stable construction, we've even thought of the smaller things. We've provided an optimal cable management solution in the form of a handy cable routing tray, allowing for easy organization of cables, as well as hiding them all from view. Out of sight, out of mind. And you wouldn't expect anything less from us to not include some gorgeous RGB lighting. The desk can seamlessly sync with other Thermaltake RGB products, utilizing our TT software, and with over 16.8 million unique colors to choose from and 20 customizable lighting zones to adjust, the possibilities are endless. And if your eyes are sensitive to the RGB lighting, you can easily adjust the brightness settings in the software, or just turn it off entirely. So in the end, the level 20 BattleStation isn't your stock standard gaming desk. It offers unique features such as sit-stand functionality, a wide surface area for all your peripherals, and let's not forget, that gorgeous RGB lighting. Isn't it about time we changed the way we play?